Namaskar. Welcome to Rise and Shine, an awareness initiative of Sunrise Learning Foundation. It's a platform to share some powerful and inspiring journeys through some candid, honest, heart-to-heart, simple conversations with some really unique and special people who are not just amazing, but are also very, very inspiring about their journey called life and about their little experiences that can warm your heart and touch your soul. I promise. Today, we have with us Eshan Mehta. Eshan is an important member of the Sunrise Learning team, and he works as a design and database specialist since around 1.5 years. Eshan is a dynamic 25-year-old young man who completed his senior secondary schooling from Bal Bharti Public School in Humanities, securing an overall percentage of 81. And he also stood first in multimedia AEMP courses, web technology as one of his favorite subjects. And he was also awarded with Excellence Award by Dr. Farooq Abdullah in the year 2013. Eshan completed his graduation in BA VFX, Visual Effects and Animation from Mahatma Gandhi University Distance Learning in the year 2018, and he scored first division. Eshan is also on the autism spectrum. We also have with us Ms. Charu Singh, a senior member of the advisory board of the Sunrise Learning Foundation, who is a passionate social activist, especially for creating awareness and acceptance and inclusion for people with special needs, who would like to have a warm conversation with Eshan today to help him open up and share his journey with all of us. So over to you, Ms. Charu and dear Eshan. Let's hear it from Eshan today. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Sonali. Very good morning to you. Very good morning, Eshan. Thank you so much for coming here. Eshan, just want to speak to you a little about what you are, what your likes are, what your dislikes are. क्योंकि ऐसे बहुत से लोग हैं जो आपके बारे में जानना चाहते हैं, आपको समझना चाहते हैं. So, Eshan, in your own words, आपको what do you think is your area of expertise?
Basically, when I am able to solve technical problems of smartphones, gadgets and computers, as well as help other people.
So this is what you love to do. Great, Eshan.
Yes.
बहुत अच्छी बात है. Eshan, जब आप morning में उठते हो, how do you start your day?
When I get up in the morning, I do my morning activities and then I get ready for Sunrise Learning Center for Autism and Special Needs, or Papa's office, because the lockdown is still there.
Excellent, Eshan. That shows great discipline. So, Eshan, let's talk about some of your favorite things. So, what would be a good day for you? कौन सा दिन आपको बहुत अच्छा लगता है?
When I am able to solve my problems as well as help others.
Excellent, Eshan. Excellent focus. Eshan, घर में आपको सबसे अच्छा कौन लगता है?
My mother and father.
Your mother and father. What would you like to say to your father, Eshan?
I would like to thank him for supporting me.
Excellent. और mother के लिए क्या message है?
I would like to say that I love her.
I'm sure she's delighted to hear that, Eshan. Eshan, what's your favorite part in your house?
My computer room.
Exactly. And Eshan, we also heard that in the lockdown you've learned a new activity, and that's cooking.
Yes.
And I believe आप पूरे family के लिए breakfast बनाते हैं. You also actually help your mother cook lunch. So what is it that you like to cook, Eshan?
All types of dishes. First we decide and then we make.
Super, Eshan, super. I'm sure she's most delighted to have this help during the lockdown. So, Eshan, आप समझते हैं कि जैसे हम सारे COVID-19 से गुजर रहे हैं, we have to keep some safety precautions. So you understand that once you're moving out of the house, you have to wear a safety mask.
Wear a mask. Yes.
Very essential. Very good, Eshan. Eshan, what are the programs that you like to see? When you watch TV in your free time, what are the things that you would enjoy watching?
all types of infotainment channels, anything in general.
Anything in general, great. Ishan, I've also been told that you also like animals. So which are the animals that you like? How do you like to spend time with them?
I would like to pat and feed them, which makes me feel happy, especially dogs and cows.
So sweet, Ishan. I'm sure they appreciate your love. Ishan, let's also talk about some things that are not so favorite with you. कुछ ऐसी बातें जो आपको अपसेट कर सकती हैं, बहुत प्लेजेंट नहीं लगती. ऐसा क्या है जो आपको लगता है कि आपको अपसेट कर सकता है?
When things don't go the way I want.
When things don't go the way you want. Exactly, just like all of us. ईशान, आपने शेयर किया था कि आपको ये अपसेट करता है, डिस्टर्ब करता है जब हम एक टास्क का स्केड्यूल बनाते हैं और उनका ऑर्डर बदल जाए. वो आपके लिए चैलेंज है टू एडजस्ट योरसेल्फ. दैट इज समथिंग यू डोंट लाइक, राइट?
Yes.
Very good. और ये भी कि when you start something, you are so focused at completing it, right? You love to accomplish it. अगर आप वो नहीं कर पाते, that is something you don't like.
Yes.
Amazing focus, Ishan. Ishan, जैसे when you were a child, when you were interacting with other people, is there any incident that you remember was unpleasant, which left you upset? या ऐसा कुछ था जो आप नहीं कह सके, communicate नहीं कर सके? Is there an unpleasant memory?
Not really.
Not really? Wow, Ishan, that's amazing. That's amazing. Ishan, थोड़ा सा हम आपके एसोसिएशन के बारे में बात करते हैं जो सनराइज लर्निंग फाउंडेशन के साथ है. So Ishan, when you came to Sunrise Learning for the first time, आपको याद है कब आए थे?
Last year in the month of May, June.
Exactly.
When we were searching for a cordial environment
for you to work, right?
Yes.
And when Dr. Sonali, when your parents shared about your skills and expertise with Dr. Sonali, she was super thrilled. We are so lucky to have you with us, Ishan. Ishan, जब आप पहले दिन आए, how did you like Sunrise Learning Foundation? कैसा लगा आपको?
I like the cordial environment and the understanding of each and every needs of children and what the children want.
Exactly. So were you comfortable there, Ishan?
Yes, extremely comfortable.
I'm glad to hear that, Ishan. Ishan, आपका क्या role है as a faculty member with Sunrise Learning?
Design and database specialist.
Design and database specialist. और मुझे ये भी बताया गया है that there's a lot else you do in addition to your role as a faculty member. What do you like to do in your spare time?
Interacting with students, teaching them new concepts, how to work on computers and all that.
Exactly.
Ishan has been participating in the digital classes for advanced computer skills with the students. He has helped the students as an assistant faculty with our computer faculty, and he has been helping the students for the advanced computer skills, especially on Excel sheets, making Excel sheets.
Yeah, because Ishan is an Excel pro. Ishan, this is really nice. आप सिर्फ वो काम नहीं करते जो आपको दिया गया. You are doing additional work for the foundation, and we are very appreciative of that. And Ishan, you have a very warm bond with all the faculty members of Sunrise Learning. मुझे बताया गया है that you love to spend leisure time with them. You also share your stories and jokes with them. Is that true?
Yes.
Great. Ishan, ऐसा क्या चीज है जो आप और सीखना चाहेंगे सनराइज लर्निंग पे आके? आपको क्या लगता है आप और क्या वहाँ सीखे और क्या सीखना चाहते हैं?
बेसिकली मैं जो सीखना चाहता हूँ वो ये है कि हाउ टू एडजस्ट योरसेल्फ इन cordial environment as well as how to behave the way the society accepts.
Wonderful, Ishan. Wonderful. So आप communication skills सीख रहे हैं, आप social interaction सीख रहे हैं.
Yes.
आप office skills सीख रहे हैं और ईशान आप ये बिल्कुल exactly और आप ये बिल्कुल समझते हैं कि एक office place, work place की environment घर से different है. तो वहाँ पे जैसे आप अपने आप को कंडक्ट करते हैं, बिहेव करते हैं, वो डिफरेंट होता है. एग्जैक्टली ईशान, एब्सोल्युटली. ईशान, कोई भी एक ऐसा बच्चा जो सनराइज लर्निंग में फ्रेशर आता है, इफ ही इज ऑन द ऑटिज्म स्पेक्ट्रम और अदर और एनी अदर डायग्नोसिस, उनके साथ आप क्या मैसेज शेयर करना चाहोगे?
बेसिकली ये एक मैसेज देना चाहता हूँ कि बच्चों का जो एक्सेप्टेंस है वो उसको वैसे ही रखें and people should encourage their children to never give up as well as work on your strengths. Yes.
Exactly. And also, you'd like to share that any child should be absolutely comfortable being exactly what it is. जो आप हो, आप जैसे हो, बिल्कुल वैसे रहो.
हाँ.
Right, perfect.
He always
Ishan,
says this. Ishan always
And never
says
give
this
up.
to people. जैसे हो वैसे रहो. This is his punchline.
Ishan, that's something that all of us yearn to learn here every day. That is exactly what we need in our lives, just all of us. And Ishan, what is the special message that you'd like to share with a parent of a special child? आप क्या बताना चाहोगे as a son yourself? आप किसी parent को क्या बताना चाहोगे?
Meaning parents को यही बताना चाहते हैं कि parents should accept the willingness of their child as well as they should have patience and they should shower their love and affection.
Exactly. And also focus on one challenge for their child at a time.
One thing at a time.
Exactly. This is Ishan's expert.
Not multitask.
Not multitasking. We don't need it at all. Ishan, this is your expert productivity tip. Focus on one thing at a time and become an expert at that. Perfect, Ishan.
Okay.
Ishan, you gave me a punchline to work on, and I'm going to give you one. Autism is definitely Ishan's challenge, but it's not his weakness. So, ladies and gentlemen, this was Ishan Mehta for you. Yes, he's on the autism spectrum, which gives him immense focus to finish his task. It gives him an intense passion for his area of work that he loves. He loves to work, he hates to stay idle, he has complete focus on accomplishing the tasks that are given to him. He has great aspirations for his future, he is willing to learn, willing to grow. And he has complete awareness for his likes, dislikes, his strengths and his challenges. But what I found most endearing and most enlightening today is that Ishan has such a clean heart and he begins each day with a completely new slate, a clear slate. He has absolutely no bitter memories, no complaints. That is really something I would like to learn from Ishan, won't you? This is just one of the very few first candid conversations at Sunrise Learning. We are trying here to reinforce the reality of autism, but while we're at it, we are definitely going to bust some myths as well. Over to you, Dr. Sanat.
Once again, dear people, this was Ishan Mehta. Yes, a boy on the autism spectrum. Yes, the same little boy who went through the same childhood journey that started with a diagnosis, then the drill of early intervention, therapy sessions, lots and lots of structured modifications at home, endless planning, efforts, lifestyle changes by the entire family, and creating a good support system at school. And yes, here we have an independent young man who is not just proud of his journey so far, but also of his job and his tech abilities, who knows very well that he is different, not less. Thank you so much.